Hello guys, in this video I'll show you a PDF invoice generator that I developed entirely in the browser. It's a static web application which runs directly in the browser, no server side is involved. So it's built inside HTML, CSS and JavaScript. I have given the demo link and also the purchase link where you can purchase the entire source code. So this is the actual source code, around about 800 lines of HTML, CSS and JavaScript code. It's very easy to run this. You basically open it in VS Code and directly you can run it at localhost. So we are running it on localhost. This is the interface of the application. Here you basically provide the details about your company, email address, phone number, and then you provide the address. Then you basically set the invoice date, invoice number, currency you can select from a drop down, and instantly on the right hand side the invoice will be created. So here you fill out the invoice client information. You can add multiple items here for the invoice. You can set the rate here. So I'm just filling out the dummy data, and also you can provide discount and text. And here on the right hand side in a tabular like structure, as you can see, now we have this download PDF button. So everything which is there right here will be exported to PDF. So once you open the PDF file, you will see this will be the end result you will be getting. A polished, professional looking invoice document will be ready in a matter of seconds using this web application. So definitely try this. I have also deployed this tool on my website as well. You can check the demo link. So here you can actually try this out before purchasing it. So go to this link. I have given this link in the description of this video. So repeat the same process. You fill out the necessary details, and right in the right hand side corner you will see the live preview of the invoice. And then again we have the download PDF button. So we have used the two libraries for this, for building this html2canvas and jsPDF. So we actually included the CDN links of both these libraries. As you can see right here, we included these links. So it's really simple. So both these libraries are free open source libraries. So if you search HTML2 canvas, and this is used for taking screenshots with the JavaScript, and the second library is JSPDF, which is a PDF generation library, which is a very famous. So we have used these two libraries for building this. So definitely check out this, both the links in the description, if you are willing to purchase this PDF invoice generator.